All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. Trade recap. Only took this on eval. Did get pretty lucky on this. Here are the executions right here. Ended up one trade passing an alpha zero. So there was some setups earlier in the session. Honestly, I missed a pretty good setup. And then the other trade, I'll go over why I didn't take it. So I'm gonna put everything back on the chart, and then I'm gonna get right into this. So higher time frame, obviously we were bullish, but I was not opposed to looking for shorts if we wanted to displace lower, because obviously we do have higher time frame draws leading into an unfilled 4 hour. We also had this 2 hour, we had a 1 hour gap. So I was kind of just waiting for market to open and kind of see what we wanted to do. So market opens up, we initially get this manipulation to the upside. Now I personally wanted to short right here. My entry was going to be this 30-second. I honestly just couldn't enter in time. I was trying to like get the risk ready on my phone, and I honestly just missed it. But the other reason I was a bit hesitant too is because looking at ES, we could see ES left relative equal highs, had already manipulated down. It did have this like data low down here, so it just ES was throwing me off a bit, which was kind of, even regardless, I wouldn't be 100% confident in this trade, but I did like it for the most part just to see this data low kind of get taken. We had accumulation, manipulation. I want to see distribution. I think there was a 15-second inversion as well. Right here, it does take a while obviously to inverse, but regardless, I think that was a great trade. It just, I don't know, it just kind of threw me off with ES, and then I just kind of missed the entry that I wanted, so I didn't want to force anything from there. So from there, price comes down, ends up tapping into this 2 hour. Now at this point, I really wasn't sold on longs. I kind of want to see a higher time frame inversion. Otherwise, I wasn't 100% sure if we wanted to break through this 2 hour and continue to dump to sell side, because again, we have that unfilled 4 hour below. So I really wasn't concerned or convicted on that. We do get this 2 minute. I don't think this was a bad long. You could have taken this up to the 9:30 wick. I was personally looking more so at this 3 minute, and I believe we had a 5 as well right here. So I kind of wanted to see us disrespect the 5 and then look for longs through that. We do get this candle here, but again, I kind of just was like, whatever, I'm going to wait for 9:45 and kind of just see what happens. Obviously, we get that manipulation up, and then we just kind of chop. And at this point, I'm figuring I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. Now from 10 a.m., we do get this move down. We tap into this 5 minute. And keep in mind, this 2 hour created this 5 minutes, so technically it's a sponsored gap. And 10 a.m. right here, you could see manipulates lower, so we could expect an open, low, high close. There is this 1 minute inversion, but I'm just not really a fan of this because we're just targeting a high that just swept out a high. You do have low resistance liquidity above, but on a Friday, to be honest, I really wasn't a fan of this. And I personally would have gotten break even on this anyway. I would have had stops here. And if you were targeting a 1-to-1, I would have gone break even after ES took the highs out. So personally, that would have been break even for me. I do think this was a good trade though. If you did take this and you did tighten the stop up, you were able to get that 1-to-1. But again, market manipulates up. We get this chance for shorts. Again, ES was throwing me off a bit, but I really didn't have a chance to take the best entry I wanted. By the time I was going to enter, it was already like this candle was pushing down like this. So I just like, I'm not going to force it. From here, again, I wanted to see if we could get this 3 minute to the upside, maybe, just to give me more confirmation that we truly didn't want to respect and continue lower, because I really, at this point, thought we might dump through to this 4 hour. And then from there, obviously, I think this 10 a.m. long was good. We get that accumulation, manipulation. We're looking for distribution up. Again, just wasn't 100% trying to take this on a Friday. I was a little bit skeptical. So at this point, I ended up just hopping off. After I seen this get edged, I just hopped off my fundeds around like 10, yeah, like just before 10:10. So I was a bit skeptical. And at this point, I just decided to hop on an alpha eval, and I was like, I'm going to try to one trade past this. So at this point, yes, we have low resistance kind of above now, but to me, this just looks bearish visually. I want to see price run all of this low resistance into that unfilled 4 hour. So this is obviously a more discretionary entry. Basically, I just see us get a strong close to the downside on the, I think it was the 2 minute or the 1 minute. And I expect price to at least flush down to these lows down here, and then I can go break even and then just hold and see what happens. So I end up just taking this here. Ended up entering on this displacement. I figure if price is going to, reverse back up here, we're probably wrong about the idea anyway. And yeah, I ended up taking this down to the low, and yeah, it ended up playing out perfectly for us. We got like a perfect exit. So, well, I think it'll get run through anyway, but yeah, this was obviously more discretionary, but I do think trades of the day was going to be this market open short. Again, ES made me a little bit hesitant. I do think this long was valid. I just would have preferred a 3 minute. But I don't think it was wrong. And I do think this 10 a.m. long was good. Again, that would have been break even for me. I kind of just missed these setups being picky on a Friday. I don't like to end the week off, with something bad, that I'm not 100% confident in. So I just decided to hop on eval. And again, just looking at the narrative right here, it's looking to me like we want to trade lower into that unfilled 4 hour. So I just take this displacement candle, expecting price to just dump. Keep in mind at this point, 10 a.m. volume should be pretty good at this point. We should be able to catch a leg down. I'm very confident at this point. And at this point, you can see ES was also likely to probably want to run this low resistance. We also had an SMT at the high. Like, so this is like, again, more discretionary entry, but I do like it in terms of eval. So that's it for me, guys. We end the week off green anyway, so really good week this week. I just requested a payout with Alpha yesterday, so when that gets approved, I will post that in the Discord as always. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. Good week. Add some more evals to the stack, so it's always good. And let me know what you guys took today. I'll be back with some videos this weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.